I did have some expectations of the MasterClass before I arrived. However, those expectations have been well and truly exceeded. My expectations have been really blown away by the level of professionalism, the level of depth of knowledge, the number of people I've been able to interact with, and it's been a wonderful experience. My name is Simone Minet. I'm a nutritionist and I'm also a racehorse trainer who specialises in rehab. And I'm from the land down under, Australia. And even though I have a lot of techniques available to me, I felt something was missing, and after a lot of research, I decided that osteopath was the missing link. And so far, I would say I have been 100% correct in that assessment. The level of professionalism by the college is outstanding, but also the chance to interact with people from all over the world, from all kinds of disciplines, in the equestrian world, the equine world, vets from all over the world, osteopaths and trainers like myself. It's been amazing. The background provided to me in the online program was very comprehensive, and it really did prepare me well for the course. The comprehensive techniques, there's been a big variety of techniques that I have learnt that I'm still working on mastering. The supports provided by the MasterClass has been amazing, but those techniques will really make a difference to many of the horses I see. I've already I have spoken to Hannah, one of the amazing instructors, and I have expressed my interest in returning next year.